Hello, dear viewers. Wood carving is one of the ancient crafts of the Tajik people. This kind of art has both decorative and practical. Masters of this art works with wood, metal, plasters, stone, bone, and clay. One of the permanent halls of the National Museum of the Department of Fine and Applied Arts is devoted to the art of wood carving. The works of famous carvers of the country are presented in this hall. One of such masters is Mir Said of Sadollah. In his creation, masters widely used traditional artistic methods, which he learned from his teacher Yuldoshbek Barodbekov. One of the curved figures called On New Land and was created in 1974. It depicts a Tajik boy with girl standing with cotton flowers in their hand. The plate curved with great skill and shows the artist's high level of craftsmanship. Dear viewers, if you would like to know more about this and other carvings, we welcome you to the National Museum.